To record a video lecture, you don't need a camera or any high-level video editor. You can simply create a very good lecture with the help of PowerPoint. To do that, first you have to open PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint, open new slideshow, and now over here, first you have to create your first title page. Name it, for example, we are today going to make a presentation or a video lesson on sets. Sets, subtopics are intersection, union, and complement. Okay. Here you can write your name or your grade or whatever you want to write. It's up to you. If you don't want to write anything, just simply delete it. Drag it down. Now to change the background, as you can see right now the background is white and blank. If you want to add something, if you want to make it interesting, click on design, select format background. In format background you have many choices. You can change the color of background by choosing this thing, any color you want, or you can add gradients effect, and you can add pattern as well, any kind of pattern that you want, and you can upload a picture from your system as well. To set the picture, click on picture texture setting, click on file, choose a picture from your system, now you can see the picture is going out of the frame. To bring it inside the frame, from here you can change the setting. Here you can see it's written -4. Change it to 0 and to 0. Now you can see the whole picture is inside the frame. Okay, click on apply to all to set background for all slides. After background, let's change the fonts as well. Click the text box, click on home. Here I'm going to use whiteboard. I have downloaded this font from a website, www.fontspace.com/category/chalkboard. There are a lot, thousands and thousands of fonts available on this website. It's all fonts are free. You can download any font and install into your system, and then you can use it. I chose whiteboard for my presentation. You can choose any other. Okay, now I'm going to add another slide. To add another slide, click on new slide. First, I am going to start my lesson with some definitions. Now here we have to use some mathematical equations. So to enter mathematical equations, click on Insert, click on Equation, and click on Insert Equation. Now I'm going to start writing A. I need a symbol over here. I'm going to click on operator, and here you can see the union sign. I'm going to select it. As you can see, a dotted square is here. Just click on this dotted square and write B. So you have a mathematical equation A union B over here. Full stop. Select both text boxes with the help of Shift. Click on Home. Change your font style. Here you go. If you don't like this font style, if you want to use any other font style, it's up to you. I'm using this font style right now. Okay. I wrote the definition. Now I want to give a graphical example of it as well. For that, I'm going to add one more text box over here. To add one more text box, click on Insert, choose text box, draw your text box. A is equal to bracket 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, bracket close. B is equal to brackets 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, bracket close. Okay. I will change the font of text. Control A, select all. Then from font category, choose whatever font you like. I like whiteboard, and I want to enlarge it. Choose 38. Now I squeeze it a little. Okay. Now I'm going to use more text boxes over here. Text box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. I'm going to change the color of font. You can simply copy this text box and you can paste it again and again instead of drawing text boxes again and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 over here. Okay. Now I'm going to solve it. First, I'm going to add equation where A. Then I'm going to click on large operator. I'll choose union sign and where B. Okay. A union B is equal to all the elements of A and B will be part of A union B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, इसके बाद 8, 9 and 12 brackets. I'll arrange it a little. Okay, here we are. Now I'm going to add some animations and give it some, interactive look. For that, what I'm going to do is now I'm going to draw the Venn diagram for this question. So for that, I'm going to click on Insert, Shapes. First, I will draw the square box. Then I will change the color of outline to black and fill to none. And I will make the outline little bit thicker like this. Okay. Now I'm going to add circle. To add circle, I'm simply going to click on the circle. I'm not going to click on insert and shape and again add all feature. You once you have added one shape in format, you have option to do it to draw other shapes as well. So you should not jump to insert again and again. Click on circle. I'll draw one circle. Okay, fill, none, outline black, and I'm going to make it a little thicker. Yes, I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste it. This is B. Alright, I want my presentation to be interactive, animated. For that, I need two different shapes. First, I'm going to put A separately, B separately. Then I'm going to join them to show the unity of union. Okay. Is now I'm going to drag a little A and I'll drag a little B as well. If you want to do it more, you can do it more. And if you want to stretch it a little, you can stretch it a little as well. Okay, done. Now I'm going to write all the numbers of A in the A circle. Those numbers that are in B will go in intersect side. Others will come out. How? For that, I'm going to click on insert text box. I'm going to click here. 1. I'm going to select it. Whiteboard. Writing 20. So at least you can see it. I'm going to copy it, paste it, drag it down over here, and I'm going to name it 3. Then again selecting, paste, drag it there. 5. All the numbers that are not in B will come over here. 1, 3, 5 and 9. Okay, then paste, 2, 4, 5 6, 8 will come over here. To drag a little 4 down a bit. Okay, copy paste, and only 12 will come over here. Our diagram is ready. If you want to increase the size of fonts, you can select all. Simply from keyboard click on shift. Without leaving shift, keep clicking on all the numbers to select them all. And from writing, you can enlarge them as much as you want. I think this is good enough. Okay. Yes, this is perfect. Okay. This is done. Here you can see narrations, ink and laser option is checked. By checking this option, I'm telling PowerPoint that I'm going to record my audio as well, and I'm going to use pen or laser option as well. How we are going to use those options, I'm going to demonstrate in recording. Just click on start recording. Sets, intersection, union and complement. Union. The set of all elements belonging to set A or set B or the both sets is called union of the two sets, written as A union B. Let's see some examples. Let's say A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. So union of A and B will be 1, as 1 is in A, 2, as you can see 2 is present in B and A as well, but we are going to write it once. We are not going to write 2 twice. We are just going to write it once because we are writing A union B. We are not writing all the figures of A and B. We are writing A union B. All those numbers that appear in A and B will be written once in A union B. 3 is in A, 3, 4 is in B, 4, 5 is in A, 5, 6 is in A and B both. So 6, 8 is in A and B both. Then we are going to write 8, 9 is in A and 12 is in B. So we wrote 12 over here. So we had 7 elements in A set and 5 elements in B set. So in A union B we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements. It means the common elements of A and B are 1, 2, 3, and other elements are 6. Now let's put these set values in Venn diagram. First, draw a rectangle, circle to represent A values, circle to represent B set. Let's enter the values. First, we are going to add A values. All those values that are not in A, it means that are not in both sets, will appear in this side of A, and all those values of A that appears in B as well will appear in this middle section, and all those value of B that appears only in B, not in A, will come in this section. Let's write those values. 1, 3, 5, 9 are those elements that are only present in A, not in B. Now 2, 4, 6, 8 are those elements that are present in A and B both. 12 is present in B. Now you can see this is A, this is B, and the middle values are the values that are present in both sections. So these values and these values and these values are all A union As soon as you press enter, all the things that you have done during the slideshow will be recorded. As you can see, these lines and this alphabet that sorry, that equation that I wrote during my slideshow has been added to my presentation. Simply click Ctrl S from your keyboard to save all these changes. Okay, you have recorded your slideshow, you have recorded your audio, you have done whatever you want to edit. All things are added over here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to convert this lecture into video. As you know, PowerPoint can't be shared with students. Students are going to mess with it. Students are not going to use it by how to create your presentation, or how to convert your presentation, how to convert your presentation into video. It's very easy. Simply click on File, click on Export, give it 2-3 minutes. Here, click on Create Video. Okay, over here you can see this option, Use Recorded Timing and Narrations. We have recorded timing and narration for our slideshow, so we are going to keep this setting. And now if it's not selected, you can simply select it by clicking on it, and you can choose this option. Now click on Create Video. As soon as you click on create video, it's going to ask what you want to write, name your video, and where you want to save it. So this is the name I want for my video, and this is the location where I want to save it. So I'm not going to change anything. Just click on save, and here you can see it started its work. Your video will be created in, I think it usually takes 5 minutes, or if it's heavy graphics or heavy animations, so it takes 10 minutes. That's it, not more than that. In 5 to 10 minutes, a very heavy video with more animations, with more pages will be ready. We don't have that much time, so it's hardly going to take 2 or 3 minutes, and then our video will be ready. Once your video is ready, you can upload it on YouTube, or you can email it to someone. You can simply save it on your OneDrive, and you can share it from OneDrive as well, whatever option you want. Or if you don't know how to share video on OneDrive, or how to upload video on YouTube, you can see other tutorials that I have uploaded in this channel. And to learn more about using PowerPoint, or about any other software, um, subscribe my channel, and I'll be there to help you. Thank you.